In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive payments on Airbnb. We'll walk through the steps to ensure you can easily manage your payouts as a host. Let's get started by logging into your Airbnb account. Once you're on your dashboard, you'll want to locate the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. This little icon with its 3 horizontal lines is your gateway to the various settings and options available on Airbnb. After clicking on the hamburger icon, navigate to Account Settings. This section is crucial as it houses all the essential details that pertain to your account's operations. Within the Settings menu, direct your attention to the left part of your screen where you'll see the option labeled Payments. This is where we'll set up how you receive your payouts. When you click into Payments, you will be directed to a submenu. Here, you want to focus on the Payout section. This section is specifically tailored to manage how and when you'll receive your money. Go ahead and click Set up Payouts. This step is fundamental as it's here you will specify your preferred method for receiving payments. Airbnb offers you flexibility by allowing payouts through PayPal, a bank account, or Payoneer. It's important to choose the option that best suits your needs. A quick tip for new hosts: the first payout might take a bit longer due to Airbnb's security measures. It can take up to 30 days, so there's no need for alarm if your payment isn't immediate. Generally, Airbnb releases payments 24 hours after your guest has checked in. However, the actual time it takes for you to receive the money will depend on the payout method you've chosen. If you're using PayPal, you can expect the funds to arrive within 1 business day. Bank accounts typically take a little longer, around 3 to 5 business days. For those using Payoneer, the process is faster, with payouts in about 24 hours, depending on the region. But remember, these timelines can vary, so it's always wise to check with your provider to ensure accuracy. And that's how you set up your payout method to receive payments on Airbnb. If you found this video helpful, or if you're interested in more content like this, please click the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you're alerted whenever we upload a new video, and kindly give this video a like if you enjoyed it. See you next time.